In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to recover end-to-end encrypted chats in Messenger. So let's get started. So here we are on Messenger, and from here, the first thing that we'll do is to tap here on the three horizontal bars on the top left, and then go here into the settings icon right here. And now you would want to go down until you see privacy and security or safety right here. Tap on that. And then from here, tap on end-to-end encrypted chats. Now you would want to go into manage storage. And in here is that you would want to go for turn on secure storage, but in my case, it's already turned on. So I have the turn off button here instead. So yeah, basically just turn it on, make sure it's turned on. And then once you have turned on the message storage right here, you want to go back right here. So just go back in here into the settings. And then basically you want to scroll all the way down now. And then go here into the account center. Tap on see more in account center. And from here, you want to go into your information and permissions. And now you want to go for download your information, which is right here. And from here, you would now be able to download or transfer information by tapping there and then select the account. In my case, it's my Facebook, and tap on next. And from here, you can go for available information or specific types of information. So we'll just go for specific types since I am already only interested in my messages. So I'm going to tap that. And then next is that we will now be prompted into this page. So now we can select what kind of information we would like to download. So in my case, it would be the messages. So I'm going to tap here on messages. And you could also go for some other informations if you'd want, but in my case, I only want messages. I'm going to tap here on next. And now you can tap on download to device or transfer to destination. And from here, you can create files to download. You can select the date range right here, as you can see. And then you could now go for the notification. Where would it be notified once the file is created and it's ready to download? And in the format, you can go for HTML or JSON. And the media quality right here, you can go for medium, high, or low, depending on what you want. And then once you're done, click on create files, and it will now be created. And once it's done, it will now be available for download, and you'll be notified. Or you could wait for it right here. You could just check it right here. And if it's now saying that it's available for download, you can download it right here and save it to your device. And that's it on how you'd be able to recover your end-to-end encryption chats in Messenger. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.